Andrew here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and putting together this Lego Bionicle set. It is Ikir, the creature of fire. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is Tahu's creature, which is the Toa of fire. They do have some books, and there's a movie or two of them on Netflix, so if you're not quite sure what I'm talking about, you're going to need to go and look there. So, yeah. I've actually already put together two of these. Well, maybe not Ikir exactly, but you get my point. So, unlike most, I'm not going to be very organized about the pieces, so let's just get into this, and yeah. As soon as I get all these pieces out, get these all to the side, we can begin. So, okay, so, at the moment we're going to be building, like a trap thing. And it's actually not too hard to build these, if you can just find the pieces for them. So, yeah. And then, go and stick one right there, one right there, if I can get it to, yeah, there we go. And now, bang. So yeah. Oh, okay, so, I mean, I've never really, well, okay, I don't know where I was going with that. Here it is. So these two pieces, there we go. Fit together, you stick it in there, and then the legs are simple. They're these little claw things. So, yeah, we just stick these together, and there you go. Now we begin actually building Ikir here. And so I'm gonna start there. Okay, and now if I move on, go, okay, so yeah, this probably has to be done in two parts, thinking, but I don't know, we'll see. So, now we take this and stick it on like this, I do believe. Yeah, that looks right. And now we're going to need a nice long gray piece, as you can see. So we're going to stick it in through this hole right here. Make sure this is lined up. Then it's going to be able to go all the way through. Come out the other end. These things can be a little tricky to put together. So, yeah. When you need to slide this in like this, it can be a little finicky when it comes to getting the ring you need. But either way, I now need two of these, and I need to stick them on one end. So I'm just gonna stick them on, like so. And in the next page, we'll see if I've done this section correctly. But I do believe I have. Yeah. And now on the other end, we need this piece, and if I can find it, yeah, this piece. So, yeah. And then you can just stick this in like so. And there we go. Now, we're actually building like some sort of mechanic thing at the moment to make his arm, or his wings, I believe, move up and down. Yeah, his wings. Okay, so now, so I need to spit, or turn it like that. And then, yeah. I think I don't know. I wish I had brought my phone over here so I could keep a timer going, but oh well. Now, on this step, I need this crazy looking piece. And there we go. I've got on there. We just go and grab another one of these and one of these and stick it here by the looks of it. Oh wait. No, we need two of each of those. So. Now, let's see here. Huh. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. And I think I missed something. So, if I may, I'm going to go back and do that. Oh. Okay. Ooh. You know what? I've missed a few steps here, so I'm gonna need to go back, find the pieces, and do them. So, this is going to be kind of tricky, I reckon. So, I mean, I need this, so I'm going to stick that through. Okay, so, there we go. Yeah. Let's do this. And then I should just be able to slide this on. Like so. Yeah. And now I go and take this and this. Now that there's my second one. And then I just go and stick them on top here. And then now the cool thing about this is this. So that will make his wings flap. I don't know how much I'm really gonna use it. I might go back and take this out because when I play with them, I don't really care for that. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, I'll probably go and take this part out, and yeah, that'll make it all. Well, it'd stay intact, but not have that little problem. And then they just can't move freely, which is what I kind of prefer. Well, tend to prefer. So, yeah. And oh yeah, and you might have noticed there's a new couch. Well, you may not have actually noticed this, but we did just get a new couch. Probably should have been kind of obvious with the box right there in the couch. Yeah. We have a cat, so we had to cover it, protect it from our cat. Oh yeah, yeah. You actually have to stick this back in the heel, and you have to do this twice. Now it looks like, yeah, I need to do this with it. So yeah. I mean, there's a little hole right there, as you can see, and now the trick is actually getting, yeah, there we go. I'll have to snap into place. Oh, yeah. You know what? I did this wrong. It's pain to get out. There we go. But just noticed. So I'm gonna use this to get this piece unstuck. If I can. Some of this will kind of, not quite. Okay, I don't. Yeah. Who's am I trying to follow on? During this. Because I'm not used to building these and commentating while I'm doing it. Yeah, but I've built a bunch of these. There we go. So now I have a little. Yeah, and then we take these little flame claw things again. And just stick them on these little things. Yeah. So. Yeah, while I'm building the second one, you can kind of take a look at this. See what we've got. And if you have the pieces yourself, maybe you can build these. But, oh yeah. And we were also supposed to insert this in the back of this thing, I believe. If I need to get it, I will. Or something else, so yeah. I'm actually kind of going off of this, and yeah. So, how does it feel to be new YouTubers? Well, it's actually cool, because I've been wanting to do it for a while, and because I was just going to end up doing a solo gaming channel. The background noise is just a problem. But since this has become a family thing, and if I just make mine kind of a secondary channel, and, you know, make a pretty plan that I'm with this channel in it, I don't need to worry about that so much. Although it still would be nice to not have all that background noise, it's not as big of a deal. So, yeah, there we go. We have 2 of them now. And then we need to take 2 of these and, oh crud, forgot something. Now this into place, and this into place. Yep. Okay, so now it's gonna run me back for how to build these, but build this thing again, but I've already got it built, so we can skip a few pages here. I've already done it. Now, I might actually go and get some of my other pieces from other projects I've at this point taken apart while I've been playing with them, and make his legs a little bit longer, but we'll see. I'll have to do a video where I showcase all the ones I've built. So now, there we go. And now, oh, okay. Take this and add in these 2 things, which I've never really seen before. So, these are brand new pieces to me. But hey, they look pretty cool. But yeah, once again, I need to figure out, like, I think I know how I can fix this. But, well, I'll have to look at that later. So now I'm gonna be building his wings. So gonna need 2 of these per. So or these 3 per. Oh dear, oh dear. So yeah. I mean, this is going to be a family-friendly channel. Any videos with any inappropriate language, not going up. Just saying. If it's a plain one, or well, not graphic, a more casually used one. I mean, we're, like, even if it's not necessarily a well, if it's a bad word, but not something crazy like a curse word, it's still not going up. But whatever. You guys probably don't care too much about that, but if you do, there you go. Okay. So this, trying to figure out. Okay, so this goes like right there. This goes on like that, and there we go. Yeah. Then on these other things, I just attached a fire. And yeah, there we go. So that's a wing, and then I reckon it's on like so. If I were to make, yeah. Oh wait, no, not quite. So I actually need to take these and stick them together. Together, so there we go. Yeah, and then oh, I think I know. Yeah, kind of what I expected. So stick this on, and then it goes. Yeah, just like that, and then gotta remake that, but not too bad, is it? Sounds like this. Like this. Okay, so I mean, you don't really need the directions for this, for making the wing again. You just need to look at your previous one. Oh dear, what have I done? So, okay, and then, yeah, so I'm doing this correctly, I believe. Yeah, I think. Okay. Okay, so